Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off media preview on X or Twitter. So if you don't like how Twitter act, if you want to see a media, so you can disable or turn off a media preview on this app by go to the settings. You can scroll down and try to search a accessibility, display and language. You can manage how X content is displayed to you. So you can tap on display. Here you can turn off media previews. And also there's a display, maybe you want to change the display into the dark mode. You can turn off sound effect, and also you can turn off web browser or in-app browser on X. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.